Athletic and Orthopedic Injury Assessment, a case study approach, offers more than 130 cases that cover common athletic injuries from the head to toe. Athletic and Orthopedic Injury Assessment fosters a systematic approach, which helps readers learn how to make connections between the competencies. The case studies bridge the gap between classroom lessons and real-world situations. By repeatedly and logically applying the knowledge from their courses, students can become skilled at combining and using the key information needed to guide their physical examinations, and to determine the correct clinical diagnosis and intervention. Each case study presents a unique scenario centered on an injury. The cases take place in a variety of settings and situations, from a college sporting event, a recreational tennis match, basic training in a military facility, and an occupational injury while on the job. The authors draw on their extensive professional and academic experience to present situations that are realistic and prepare students for the variety of people and injuries they will face. Reflection questions follow each case and ask students to identify the differential and clinical diagnoses, assess the situation, choose treatment options, comment on the actions of the clinician, and more. In addition, the chapters open with an anatomical review for each area of the body, allowing students to revisit the body structures students have learned about, and special tests they may use. Case studies allow for safe experimentation. Students can make clinical decisions without any risk of harm to their patients, and can reflect on their decisions under the guide of an instructor and with input from their peers. The case studies are also useful in preparing for the Board of Certification National Certification Examination. Working through these cases allows for practice in reading, acquiring, and interpreting information in much of the same way as students will be required to do for the test. Instructors who adopt the book will have access to the companion book, Athletic and Orthopedic Injury Assessment, Case Responses and Interpretations. This includes suggested, evidence-based answers to every case question, as well as extensive reference lists to guide further study. If you're interested in requesting a review copy or seeing a sample case, visit www.hh-pub.com. If you're already on the Athletic and Orthopedic Injury Assessment book page, look for the blue Request a Review Copy button. It's under the Preview tab. And thank you for your interest in this publication.